Next flow air jets can be considered either large nozzles or small annular airflow amplifiers. They are primarily used for part ejection or for very small area cooling and blow-off air applications. Next flow provides the air jets in 3 different materials. We have them in aluminum, which is anodized. We have it in brass, and we have it in stainless steel for high temperature and corrosive applications. For the brass and for the stainless steel, we offer only the high force air jet, which gives you a very high concentrated force. Again, a very major use for blow-off and also for part ejection applications. In the aluminum version, we have both the high force and we also have a high flow version, which is quite popular for utilization in cooling, especially small part cooling applications. All the air jets manufactured by Nextflow are adjustable, where the adjustment can be preset with a lock ring. They are used also for areas where nozzles may not have quite the force that an air jet can provide. When a nozzle hits a part for blow-off, it hits it with a point. The air jet has a bit of almost like a hand push to it. So in many applications where you may require 2 nozzles to aim at a part to be able to direct it, the air jet, because it gives you that hand type of push, only 1 air jet is required compared to possibly the need for 2 nozzles. In addition, the larger you make any sort of an airflow amplifiers, the more efficient it becomes. So 1 air jet may need just as much compressed air as 1 nozzle. If you can use 1 air jet instead of 2 nozzles, you've cut your energy use in half. Air jets are a very, very viable option, especially in those applications where you may be using 2 nozzles and only 1 air jet is required. And certainly is an option if you need a little bit of extra force that an air nozzle may not be able to apply.